folks? I'm going to be trying something new today on the channel. This is my first DCS tutorial video, and the reason I'm making it is I generally play this game when I'm not making content, so it just makes sense that if I'm playing this game anyway, you all out there should also benefit from my playtime as much as I do. So on that note, I'll be sharing a brief video on how to land the F-4E in this game, as it is a little bit troublesome, and there are some particulars that may not come across in some of the manuals forms that are out there. If this is something that is up everybody's alley, let me know in the comments. If you guys think I'm crazy and I'm outside of my lane, also put that in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we'll get right to the fun part. First things first, make sure you're playing old school house music through the AVTR recorder. Check. Next, check that your roll status augmentation switch is off. This will enable precise roll control with rudder during final approach. Double check that your flaps are down, flats out, landing gear down as well. Next comes the fun part. Balance your angle of attack using the stick and adjust positive trim to maintain a comfortable level of control. The goal here isn't to set the trim and go hands off and get it, but to just set the trim enough that you can comfortably adjust your nose position or angle of attack during the descent phase of your landing. Since I've set the trim to my liking, I'm just balancing the descent rate and angle of attack using power here. Personally, I like being a little bit fast during the descent phase. Just gives me a little bit of options when coming down for the landing.
No, not getting any IFF here.
Getting a bit fast here, so I'm bringing the nose up. Just an incidental note here, as you observe my throttle positions, this process is easier the more precise your control setup is, using a BKB Stex throttle and a BKB gunfighter for stick. For those of you with more, shall we say, value conscious equipment like the Thrustmaster T16000 I used to have, the process is going to be a bit harder because you won't be able to as precisely control the F-4E during your descent phase. Something to be aware of while you're looking at tutorials and looking to get better in the aircraft.
And gear, flaps, pressure, warning lights, anti-skid.
Just managing the descent here. A little fast, but that's what we want here. Okay, speed's bleeding off a bit much, so I'm going to add some power here to control our sink rate. Remember, the F-4 was originally meant to be a Navy airplane. That's why we're able to land the aircraft in such a peculiar way for an Air Force jet, but we're making it work. Lower power threshold. Control that as we come in. Power. There we go. Jester's pretty quiet, so I guess that means he's not a house fan. And there we go. Wrap the landing here. Thanks everybody for tuning in. If you like this tutorial or my other content on the channel, consider subscribing. Catch you in the next video.